this is Shreya Mountain and you're watching on Innovating Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a powder slime with Pond's powder. So let's get started. See, to make that slime you need any powder if you want. Some little bit of water, paint, if you want any color you can add, some baking soda and maida and some oil. Main ingredient is powder. So let's get started. First take the powder and put it. I think this much is enough. I don't want to waste it. And now let's add the maida. I'm going to add a little bit. Now let's add baking soda. And now I'm going to mix it. Mix it well. The Pond's powder is coming the flavor. Now let's add water. Now mix it. Now let's add a little bit of oil. Now mix it well. And add some little bit more water. Now mix it. In this stage you have to add color. If you want color you can add. I will add some purple color. See what a beautiful color. It's looking like a porridge. In this stage we have to add some washing powder. Now let's add some more maida. See, it's coming. Now let's add some more powder to it. Now let's mix it. Wow, it's coming. Yeah, it is coming, but it is like a Play-Doh. I don't know, it will come like a slime or what. It's coming now. In this stage, let's add the oil. See? It was very sticky, and right out of that, you have to add more flour and more oil. It is just waste of money only. Don't waste the powder and the oil because it requires more oil. So let's play with this. It is just like a polymer air clay.